Today is a very important topic we are discussing. That's a free radical. What is exactly position in the human pathology and pathogenesis and the diseases. Overall, the free radicals etiology factor as points of view. The degenerative diseases included cardiovascular disease, diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, retinal damage, ischemic dementia, and many other neurological degenerative changes is and the major impact for aging process also. In such condition, it may be either the acute condition also, the free radicals such as in the trauma, shock and infection, the free radical effect is even the in the stress condition also free radical elaborately will liberate by the body as well as the by the process of electromagnetic wave, atomic conditions, and as well unusually the surrounding and atmosphere also. However, the dieting factor is very important in such condition. Many of diet or compound or components which liberate free radicals. It is a very harmful condition and cause many non reparative disease like the degenerative changes, degenerative diseases. One of the main hypothetical schemes, the free radical might contribute to risk of the cardiovascular disease. The high saturated fatty acid which affect high plasma LDL-C, the free radical generation example and the smoking or condensing mechanism may be possible by through the antioxidant. But however, the free radical will adhere to the high plasma LDL. After LDL oxidize, take up by the macrophage. Macrophage, it is a physiological process. Monocytes, phagocytic leukocytes, they circulating in the blood, normally found in the lymph node, spleen, bone marrow, connective tissue, etc. It is an the initiative defensive part for the inflammation process, engulfing the foreign antigen which engulf the foreign antigens. The exactly processes that when foreign antigen or free radicals will attach to the oxidized LDL taken to the macrophage, the receptor of macrophage will permit to the enter macrophage. Then after phagosome process will be occur. In this condition, the lysosome of the macrophage will attach to the phagosomes and phagosome occur. That's and the last part, soluble debris will be elaborated through the macrophage. In such condition, form of cells, damage to the arterial wall, atherosclerosis will be occur, and coronary heart disease is common. This is a hypothetical schemes. But however, the carcinogenic material numerously investigators have proposed to be participated for the free radical in the carcinogen. Mutation and transformation, particularly in this era, although there is no definitive evidence for the free radical involved in the obligative disk process, it is a clear there the process is a biosystemic could lead to be mutation, transformation and mutilations. Strong experimental evidence support the free radical through of aging. As the increasing number of the disease and disorders, the aging process itself, its a degenerative changes will be occur. That's with the approved by the determination of lifespan leading to the attribute to the prolonged DNA accumulation of circular and functional damage. In such condition, the diets will be play very important role. The antioxidants, the molecules like the vegetable, fruit, teas, wines, and product rich in the natural antioxidant compound. Vegetable research, flavonoid and vitamins, and get the very sufficient quantity of antioxidant. Therefore, the recommended for the such condition. Dietary antioxidant may be contribute to decrease the cardiovascular disease, reduce the free radical formation, protective of LDL oxidations, platelet aggregations by inhibiting synthesis of the pro-inflammatory cytokinase. As the such condition where the free radical will produce cardiovascular disease, however, the one part of our microfat that's included for the engulfing the free radicals through it and expelling by debris material. Such is plugging to the intraocular veins or artery to deposit will be adhered to the atherosclerotic process. Somehow, the many nutritive value will prove to be very admired effect to slow down the process as well the preventive points of view. Many of the vegetable 4 to 5 serving is a very important to be control anti or free radicals. Free radicals to be prevent further damage to the artery and heart cells. However, the smoking is one of the major cause to producing free radicals, or nicotine also one of the causative factors for it. Many there is a many causes for the cardiovascular diseases. As per the preventive points of view, we can be control or we can be supplementary treated by through nutritive value in disease of cardiovascular disease and other degenerative changes. However, the prevent of the free radical damage, the body has the defensive mechanism of antioxidant. Antioxidant learn are substance or molecules that work for the reduced damage done to the cell and the DNA by the free radicals. Several cellular enzymes quench free radical, and these enzymes are the riboflavin or dietary minerals, as in the essential cofactor, vitamin E, vitamin C, and plant pigmentation, carotenoid, vitamin A are showing their very beneficial result in such condition. Thank you.